The Galaxy S24 FE was initially rumored to launch next month, but more recently, there were talks that it might arrive this week. Well, that hasn't happened yet, but what we do have is even better. Leaks, and more leaks. Just last week, a well-known leaker, Even Blast, shared an official unboxing video of the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition on X, formerly Twitter. In this video, we got a close-up look at the phone's packaging, which is super minimalistic, made from black cardboard. As you might have guessed, there's no charger included in the box. Staying true to Samsung's recent trend, what you do get is a 3-foot USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable and a stem ejector tool. And the color options, you'll have the choice between blue, graphite gray, mint, and yellow. So, there's definitely something for everyone. But here's where things get really exciting. The camera. Samsung is boasting that this is the most powerful camera ever in a Galaxy Fan Edition device, and from what we've seen, it's no joke. The Galaxy S24 FE is equipped with a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and an 8-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. On the front, there's a 10-megapixel selfie camera that promises to deliver sharp, crisp images. One of the key features highlighted in the leaked video is the phone's ability to capture stunning low-light portraits. Samsung has integrated a pro-visual engine into the phone, which uses the ISP and NPView for enhanced image and video quality. Whether it's nighttime cityscapes or those cozy indoor moments, the Galaxy S24 FE is ready to handle it all. Now let's talk performance. The Galaxy S24 Fan Edition will be powered by Samsung's Exynos 2400E chipset. This is a slightly toned-down version of the Exynos 2400 that powers the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus. But don't let that fool you. It's still a beast. It's designed to run all your apps, games, and multitasking smoothly without any hiccups. Plus, the phone will have a 6.7-inch display, which is a step up from the 6.4-inch screen on the Galaxy S23 FE, and with 1,900 nits of peak brightness, the screen is 500 nits brighter than its predecessor. This means better visibility, even in harsh sunlight. Now, on to battery life. The Galaxy S24 FE comes with a 4,700 mAh battery, which is 200 mAh more than what we saw in the previous version. Samsung claims that this upgrade can give you up to 81 hours of music playback and 28 hours of video playback. It's a little frustrating for those hoping for a budget-friendly deal, but with all the upgrades packed into this device, it's not hard to see why the price has inched up. For comparison, the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition was released last October with a price of $599 for the 128GB model and $689 for the 256GB version. So while the Galaxy S24 FE is a bit more expensive, the extra features like the improved camera, brighter display, and faster chip might make it worth the investment. And that's a wrap for today's video on the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. If you enjoyed the video and found the information helpful, consider hitting that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel, and you'll stay up to date with the latest mobile tech news. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video.
Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy S24, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Rossian also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.